Consider the smartphone, a device so ubiquitous it's almost an extension of ourselves. This tiny piece of technology has revolutionized our world in ways that were unimaginable even a few decades ago. It allows us to connect with people across the globe in an instant, gives us access to a wealth of information at our fingertips, and provides tools for organizing our lives, from calendars to health trackers. But while the smartphone embodies the benefits of technology, it also encapsulates its drawbacks. The constant connectivity it offers can be overwhelming, leading to stress and anxiety. The wealth of information available can lead to information overload, with fake news and misinformation muddying the waters. And the tools for organizing our lives can sometimes make us feel like we're always on the clock, blurring the lines between work and leisure time. Or take artificial intelligence, another marvel of modern technology. It's automating tasks, making our lives more convenient and opening up new realms of possibility. It's revolutionizing industries from healthcare to entertainment and holds the promise of even greater breakthroughs in the future. Yet there are concerns about the impact of AI on jobs, privacy, and even our humanity. Will it lead to widespread job displacement? Is it eroding our privacy, with algorithms knowing more about us than we do ourselves? And as AI becomes more sophisticated, will it challenge our understanding of what it means to be human? The story is similar with other technological advancements, from social media to drones, from virtual reality to blockchain. Each brings a host of benefits, from connecting us to new experiences and opportunities to solving complex problems. But each also brings challenges and concerns, from privacy issues to ethical dilemmas. So where does that leave us? It's clear that technology is a double-edged sword. It has the potential to greatly enrich our lives, but it also brings challenges that we must navigate. We must strive to harness the benefits of technology while mitigating its drawbacks. In summary, we've explored how technology, represented by the smartphone and artificial intelligence, has revolutionized our world, offering benefits such as connectivity, access to information, convenience, and new possibilities. But we've also delved into the drawbacks of technology, including stress and anxiety, information overload, job displacement fears, privacy concerns, and ethical dilemmas. As we move forward in this rapidly evolving technological landscape, it's essential that we continue to question, to debate, and to strive for balance. Because technology is not just about gadgets and gizmos, it's about our lives, our world, and our future.